What are we gonna go do, Fern?
We're gonna go bike ride.
Awesome.
And I needed space. Every day is sunny, oh, that's what they say. Since I landed here, it's raining
Hey.
you and I are starting to wonder if I'm with you. Are we ignoring the truth? You like to pull
Where are we gonna
me
ride to?
apart. Do you love me? Do you not?
Park.
All right. Gonna go play on the playground?
Yes.
Maybe the rain will pass soon and leave us
Anybody coming?
with a super blue.
Okay, then you can go.
Baby, I know it's been a rough June. I hope we make it to our super Drove into the desert to look at the stars. Wonder where we're going and where we are. Tell me why a flower will he break my heart? Did we stop growing cause it got too hard? You and I are stormy too. Wonder if I'm good for you. Are we ignoring the truth? You like to pull me apart. Forget me, forget me not. Either way, you had me from the start. Maybe the rain will pass soon and leave us with a super blue. Baby, I know it's been a rough June. I hope we make it to our super
Nice.
Thanks.
Digging time?
I'm digging a hole to find treasure.
What kind of treasure do you think you'll find?
I don't know.
Not sure.
I think it's gonna be a treasure that's a stick.
A stick treasure?
Can you bury one of the sticks in here so I can find it?
See what kind of treasure you can find?
Strategy.
You doing some strategy?
Strategy. And maybe some extra sprinkle from up here.
Okay.
I got some sprinkles. There, it's square now. There. The whole one, I pick it. Here.
Because they're so pretty?
Yes. They're berries. They smell very good. That's me picking a flower. This is the flower I already picked. And I'm picking a flower right now for you.
Thank you, baby.
Your second flower.
You're
We
such a
throw
sweet
leaves
girl.
at you, Chopper.
All right, let's see it. I'll hold yours for you too.
We have to throw leaves at you. No.
Okay.
Ah! Woohoo!
Nice job staying in control. Cool. Was that a fun bike ride?